In case of emergencies, the fire department is called upon often to help. But how long till the rescue team appears? Let's find out. Dorshan Salmon spoke with the captain of the fire department to find out the response times the team must meet.
The response time is about 15 minutes. It's about 15 minutes from this station, the one in Tankiflip, to the middle of the island, like we call it in Papiamentobrug, until there. But if it's like a house fire, it's a bush fire, we'll go. It's a house fire. The department from the airport takes us like a second alarm, and they go before, so our response time will be smaller then.
Ferdinand says the fire department almost meets their 15 minutes response time 100% of the time.
You can say 99% of the time we meet all goals. Like I was saying a while ago, it's because we have 3 stations, so the closer by station will come before. If we split it in the time, we always will reach the whole island in 15 minutes.
Besides for the firefighters, the dispatchers at the call center have a vital role to play in the rescue process as well.
They receive the call, they alarm us immediately. Like if it's a house fire, they alarm us immediately. They give us the directions where we have to go. We start going. They will stay with the caller on the phone and ask further questions. So they could take the first reaction. It's about 30 seconds for the first information. After that, they will keep on looking for information. It could be 5 minutes, 6 minutes on the phone. Maybe they will keep them till when we reach. So when we reach, we got the person right there waiting for us.
If you're driving and you hear the siren of a fire engine, safely move over to your right, because remember, the fire department have only 15 minutes to reach to their scene. For 15 and 15, I am Dorshan Salmon.
Thanks, Dorshan. We will hear more from the captain of the fire department regarding operations all this week, so be sure to tune in.